Hello everyone, welcome back to English on the Go.
The podcast that gather English learners around the world.
I'm Olivia.
And I'm Oliver. Thanks for joining us again.
Today's episode is super useful. We're going to learn English for the post office.
Yes, we'll help you with simple phrases to send a letter, buy stamps, or pick up a package.
But first, Oliver, you looked a little out of breath when you came in this morning. Everything okay?
Oh, wow. Yeah, it was a morning full of surprises.
Ooh, I love surprise stories. What happened to you?
So, I wanted to send a package before coming to the studio. I had the box, the address, everything.
Sounds good so far.
Yes, but I got to the post office and it was closed.
Oh no, that's the worst.
Yep, it opens at 9 a.m. and I got there at 8:45. I just stood outside holding my box like a lost puppy.
Oh, poor Oliver and his package.
So, I had to carry it all the way here. It's in the corner now, waiting for me to try again later.
Well, at least that fits our topic today, the post office.
Exactly. And if you're learning English, we'll show you how to ask questions, mail something, and understand what people say at the post office.
The dialogue today will be really simple, with slow, clear speech and useful words.
And after that, we'll explain the new words, help you practice, and do some shadowing together.
All right. Now we're going to listen to a short and easy conversation at the post office.
You'll hear a woman who wants to send a package and ask a few questions.
And you'll hear some useful English words like address, zip code, stamps, and tracking number.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Just listen and enjoy it. After this, we'll explain all the new words.
I think it's time to start the conversation.
Yes, here we go.
Dialogue, immersion.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to send this package to the United States, please.
Sure. Can you write the address and zip code here on this form?
Yes, of course. Do I need to buy stamps?
No, stamps are included in the delivery price. Would you like standard or express delivery?
What's the difference?
Standard takes 7 days. Express takes 2 days, but it's more expensive.
I'll go with standard. It's not urgent.
All right. Do you want a tracking number?
Yes, please.
Great. Please sign here for the receipt. You'll get a tracking number on it.
Okay. Also, I got a note at home to pick up a postcard. Can I do that here?
Yes. Just show me your ID and I'll go check.
Here you go.
Perfect. I'll be right back.
I really would like to know who sent this postcard.
Don't be so curious, Oliver.
All right. That was a really helpful conversation at the post office.
Yeah, I liked how simple and natural it was. And I love sending postcards, so that part made me smile.
Same here. Now it's time to go over the new words. We'll help you understand each one with an example.
Yes. So grab your notebook or just listen and repeat in your mind. Let's start.
So, for the first word, we have package. Olivia, do you send many packages?
Actually, yes. I often send birthday gifts to my family in other cities.
Nice. A package is a box or envelope with something inside, like a gift or papers.
For example, I want to send this package to Canada.
Okay. Let's move to the next word.
For the next word, we have send. Super useful word, Oliver.
Yes, it just means to give something and let it travel by mail, email, anything.
For example, I want to send a letter to my friend.
Now we have delivery.
Yes. What does that mean?
That's when the post office brings the package to someone's house.
Exactly. It's the final step, getting the item to the person.
For example, the delivery usually takes 3 days.
Next up, the post worker asks for the address. That's where the package is going.
Right. It has the house number, street name, city, and country.
For example, please write your address clearly.
During the dialogue, I hear the word zip code. What does that mean?
That's the special number at the end of the address.
Yes.
It helps the mail go to the right place.
For example, what is the zip code for Beverly Hills, California?
I think it's 9210.
Great. You know perfectly your country.
Thank you.
At the end of the dialogue, the woman asks for a postcard.
Ooh, this one is cute.
It's a small card with a picture, usually sent from holidays.
I send one every time I travel.
For example, I sent a postcard from Paris.
You still want to know who sent the postcard to the woman in the dialogue?
Of course.
Not today.
Too bad. All right, let's explain our next word, the stamp.
You buy them and put them on your envelope or package.
They show that you paid for the delivery.
For example, I need 2 stamps to send this letter. Now we have tracking number. This is really helpful.
Yes, it's a special number that lets you check where your package is.
For example, you can use the tracking number to see if the package arrived.
Here's another word in the dialogue, the signature.
That's your name written by hand.
You often need to sign when you get a delivery. For example, please write your signature here.
And finally, we arrive to the last word, pickup.
Yes, this means you go and get something, like a letter or package.
Sometimes you miss a delivery, so you have to go to the post office to pick it up. Like the postcard in the dialogue.
For example, I went to the post office for a pickup. All right. We finished our vocabulary list. Not bad, right?
Not bad at all.
You can use it right away in the post office.
Now that you understand the words, the dialogue will be much easier to follow.
So, let's listen to it again.
This time, you'll catch so much more.
Let's go.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to send this package to the United States, please.
Sure. Can you write the address and zip code here on this form?
Yes, of course. Do I need to buy stamps?
No, stamps are included in the delivery price. Would you like standard or express delivery?
What's the difference?
Standard takes 7 days. Express takes 2 days, but it's more expensive.
I'll go with standard. It's not urgent.
All right. Do you want a tracking number?
Yes, please.
Great. Please sign here for the receipt. You'll get a tracking number on it.
Okay. Also, I got a note at home to pick up a postcard. Can I do that here?
Yes. Just show me your ID and I'll go check.
Here you go.
Perfect. I'll be right back.
All right, it's time for our last section today, and it's your turn to speak.
This is the shadowing practice. That means we'll say a sentence and then you repeat after us.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak out loud and try your best.
We'll go nice and slow so you can follow easily. Let's do it together.
Good morning.
I'd like to send this package to the United States.
Sure. Can you write the address?
And zip code here on this form?
Yes, of course.
Do I need to buy stamps?
Stamps are included in the delivery price.
Would you like standard or express delivery?
What's the difference?
Standard takes 7 days.
Express takes 2 days.
But it's more expensive.
I'll go with standard.
It's not urgent.
Do you want a tracking number?
Yes, please.
Please sign here for the receipt.
You'll get a tracking number on it.
I got a note at home to pick up a postcard.
Just show me your ID and I'll go check.
Here you go.
Perfect. I'll be right back. Great job. You just shadowed a full conversation in English.
And that's amazing practice for your listening and speaking skills.
Feel free to rewind and try again. Each time you repeat, you get better.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for learning with us.
Yes. Now you know how to go to the post office in English, ask questions, send a package, and more.
And hey, don't forget, we made a special PDF for this episode.
It has all the vocabulary, the full dialogue, and space to write your own notes. You can download it for free. Just check the description below.
Also, if you enjoyed this episode, please help us out by liking the video, subscribing, and sharing it with a friend who's learning English.
It really helps us grow and keep making more fun lessons for you.
And guess what? In the next episode, we're going to the bank.
Yes. We'll talk about how to open an account, ask for help, get cash, and more, using simple, clear English.
It's going to be a good one, so don't miss it.
Until then, thank you for listening our podcasts around the world.
Take care and see you next time on
English
on the Go.
Please, Olivia, who sent her the postcard?
You are annoying, Oliver.
Your study doesn't stop here. You can continue to progress by clicking on the next video or my suggested video selected for you.